friends. It's Jason, and welcome to tonight's 60 Days to Hire Network live session. This evening, we're going to talk about staying in contact with warm leads. If you're joining on the 60 Days to Hire Network live, do me a favor. Take your link to the 60 Days to Hire Network and share it with a friend, somebody who might be stressed out at work, looking for a new job, or maybe somebody who suffers from anxiety on Sundays, thinks they're stuck in their career, and you know they need to look for something more. If you're joining on YouTube, thank you very much. Please go ahead and hit the like button as well as subscribe and share this video with a friend as well for all the same reason. So let's go back and let's talk about why you should stay in touch with warm leads. Over the course of your career search, whether it's the career search you're embarking on right now, one you may have done in the past, or maybe you're not ready to do a career search, but you think you might be doing something like that in the near future, it's important to stay in contact in a positive way with those that you interact with. Look, you're going to connect with recruiters. You're going to connect with hiring managers. You might go through the interview process and meet people from HR or people who would end up being on your team. For one reason or another, maybe the interviews just don't work out and the role isn't the right fit for you. That's okay, because at the absolute minimum, you've made some important business contacts. Over the course of your career, it's important to stay in contact with these folks through social media outlets like LinkedIn and, to a certain degree, Facebook. Now, remember, a bit back, I said you shouldn't stay on social media with people you're currently working with, and we can cross that bridge another time. But right now, you are building a deep pipeline of people who can be your advocate. Depending on what you're posting online, and it shouldn't be anything nefarious, you're going to be posting about things that you're qualified to talk about, whether that is helping a business grow, helping a company save money, hiring people, introducing new processes, teaching people, putting together hiring campaigns, and so on. And as you're talking about this on social media, and these folks that you've connected with are connected with you, they're going to start to look at you through a different set of lenses. They're going to go, this person's got some skills. Now, here's where this really pays off, and it can pay off in one of two ways. Number one, they're going to see you basically doing a live audition for the role, and maybe there wasn't a role available for you yesterday, but there might be tomorrow, and you're going to be the first person on their mind. The other reason is, keep in mind that all these people, they also have a list of contacts as well. And while you may not have been a fit for the role that you were originally interviewing for, it's a great opportunity for them to say, you know something? I know something about Jason. Check out his content. He might be a good fit for a role at another company in another city that you may not even know about. Most of the best roles that you can find aren't the ones that are advertised on job boards. They're the ones that come to you through networking, through people who know you, through people who are familiar with your work. And it results in somebody sending you a DM or an email, or even picking up the phone and calling you and saying, hey, I saw your thing. Do you have a minute to talk about an opportunity I know about or an opportunity I have? Years ago, when I was working in radio, I remember somebody I worked with saying, it's not who you know, but it's who you fish with. I love that analogy. Do yourself a favor and put yourself in a strong position to be the person that people want to fish with. Don't forget, we do these live sessions, a short mini lesson every week where we talk about important issues that are going to help you find your dream career and help you start to earn what you deserve. I put this recording on YouTube every week, so if you're watching the recording, please, again, go ahead and like and subscribe and share it with a friend. And in the school community, remember, this community is free, so send your link to as many people as possible so that we can build this community and help take more job seekers under our wings and help them find the career they're looking for. You can also take all this information and learn about it in my new book, 60 Days to Hired. It's available now on all the places you can buy books, both in-store and online. And I go into greater detail through those pages, a book that can be read in about 2.5 hours. Thanks a lot for joining me. Next week, we're going to talk about how you can tell your story a little bit better so that people remember you they're captivated by you, and they make you the only choice come hiring time. Thanks a lot for joining me. I'll see you next time. Have a great weekend.